Alright, I'm gonna change my tire on my Grand Design fifth wheel. Had a blowout last month or so, and gonna do it with a 3-ton scissor jack. Let's see how that goes. Got both front tires chalked on this side with the, I guess we call that a scissors chalk. Alright, put the scissors jack on the axle. That's my scissor jack. Got a 24-inch extension, so I don't have to crawl up under there to jack this thing up. That's my spare tire. Then I'm going to put the original one back on in its place. Now we're going to use a impact to lift this thing up. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, tire is off the ground. Alright, next thing we're going to do, put our 3/4 inch socket on here. And take these off. There you go. Easy peasy. Is that what they say? I don't know why I hate that chalk there. Time to get these going, back on. Now torque them a little bit. Now I'll bump it up 1 notch. All right, she should be good to go.